is Dama. Today I am going to be doing a eyeshadow tutorial, and it's for the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne Kaleidoscope palette, and I was so excited when I knew that she was going to have a collection in Urban Decay because I have followed her for a very long time, and she's very pretty, she's very talented, and I love watching her videos. And when I saw the palette, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. It's very colorful. So it is still in the box, so I'm going to open it up. Ooh. You see, I'm so excited. I was so excited I was going to open it, but I'm like, you know what? No. I need to be a good girl, and I want to show my viewers from the beginning like if I really like it or not, you know, my first thoughts of it. So this is how it came. I only got the Kaleidoscope palette. I was gonna get the other one that has like very wearable colors, but I was like, you know what, I have already plenty of those. I'm just gonna get one thing. So it does come wrapped, which is a relief because a lot of the times they come broken and you're like, well, I don't want it broken. So it's right here. Let's see if anything is in here. There's a little bit of tissue paper and my receipt, and I did use her on her Instagram stories. She had a coupon code with, I think it was free ship, so I was able to get free shipping because I think you had to make like a $50 purchase. And I did get a mascara as well. This is the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. So this is a palette. This is how it looks. It's very, very pretty. First it comes in a like plastic encasing, just like so, and it's like a nice fuchsia purple color. Urban Decay Kristen Leanne Kaleidoscope Dream Eyeshadow Palette. And here in the back, it gives you instructions of, not instructions, but a little bit of the like description of the palette, and it also has the layout of the eyeshadows. And you know what, it actually has a brush as well. So let me open it up. Okay. So this is made out of cardboard. It looks like nail polish, like the background looks like kind of like they mixed in like different colors of nail polish. So that's how it looks. And then the back. And then the back also has the names of the eyeshadows. So let's open it up. So this is it. It has like a little plastic thing. I'm going to take that off. Take this off. So it's a pretty decent size mirror. I always love mirrors on my eyeshadow palettes because it's just easier when you're doing your eyeshadow to use your eyeshadow and your palette at the same time. So I always appreciate a good mirror. And it says here, stay gold. And let's see, oh, they're so pretty. I've never seen this palette in person, so this is the first time. These are very bright colors, so if you're not a person that tends to wear like bright colors, you probably won't like this one. Maybe you'll like the other one that has very neutral brown colors that you can use every day. So this one, this is the, ooh, this is actually pretty cute. Like it's not like, it looks like I can actually use it. Most of the time, Urban Decay does pretty good brushes with their palettes. So it looks like this. It's like a domed fade, like a, I don't even know how to describe it, kind of like a, it's a densely packed little brush. And then you have this one right here to kind of blend out your eyeshadow. So this is a little brush. And then right here we have, on the left hand corner, we have Spitfire, which is a nice purpley, kind of magenta shade. This gold, I love gold. This is a very true gold called Stay Gold. This one is called Tajin, which is a nice burnt orange. I love Tajin. And then LCW, which is kind of like a turquoise right here. This one right here is like a nice royal blue. And all these so far are glittery except Tajin. Leo and Brixton are kind of like a frost color. Leo and then Brixton. Lime Time is this beautiful green. And then you have this purple. This is a very true purple called Dye. And Corona right here, which is a very nice brown shimmery shade. So they're all shimmery except, oh, and the black. Black is very essential for a palette. Black is matte, Tahine is matte, and all the rest are shimmery. So this is the palette, this is the layout. So I can totally see me using two colors very frequently, which are Corona. You can use this one all over your eyelid, or Stay Gold. You can just use those two together, maybe use a little bit of black to smoke it out. And you can even make a pop of color, which is something that she kind of would do with any of these shades. And you can even use this one to kind of blend out everything. So today, oh, I don't even know what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to apply some eyeshadow primer. I always apply eyeshadow primer. I already did my foundation, my eyebrows, a little bit of lipstick just so I show you guys the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to pat the eye primer on my eyelid, a little bit on the bottom. So first I'm going to grab a flat shader brush, and I am going to grab Stay Gold, which is a color that I'm most attracted to. This seems so pretty. I don't know if this is a good brush for this. Oh wow, yes, it's super pigmented. It kind of has like a green undertone, like a very slight green undertone. Very pretty. So I'm going to put this on the inner corner. And actually this brush is perfect. And I'm just going to pat that on the inner half of my eye. So just on the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to do on my lower lash line just a little bit. And this is very yellow as well. It's like a very gold yellow. Very pretty. So the next color I'm going to grab is this Lime Time. And I'm using the same brush. I kind of cleaned it off. And I'm going to put it next to that gold. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is a really nice green, and it complements the gold very well. And kind of, when you're patting it on, kind of blend it out a little bit. And then the next color I'm going to grab is this LCW. And I use the same brush, I just kind of clean it off. So I'm going to use this LCW right next to that green. So they are definitely very pigmented. You don't have a hard time packing on the eyeshadow. With one swipe you get the color. And actually I'm going to grab this brush that it came with, and I'm going to blend it out just because it's a clean brush. And it's actually blending pretty well with this. And always use very light hand with it. So next I'm going to grab this Tahine, which is this burnt orange. And you know what, I'm going to grab it with this end. I don't want to go too crazy. And just on the top, use a little more and just build up that orange. So I'm going to grab that same color, the sun's coming out. I'm going to grab the same Tahine. I'm going to use it to kind of like make like a transition color. Now I'm going to grab this TRM color, which is a very nice royal blue. I'm going to do that on the outer corner of the lower lash line. And kind of pack it on. Just like that. And then I'm going to grab this color right here called Spitfire. And I'm going to put it on the lower lash line, connecting the gold with the, what was it? TRM. Just going to grab a little more Lime Time. Kind of press it on top in the middle of the eye. So I'm just going to grab a little more of this LCW, put it on the outer corner a little bit to kind of elongate my eye. Wow, that's so pretty. All these colors so far I've been satisfied with. I still have to use it a little more. I want to use Leanne Brixton. I haven't used Corona or the black one. But I've used all those in one eyeshadow. So far, it looks so pretty. So next I'm going to do some winged eyeliner. I always love to do some winged eyeliner. And this is the L'Oreal Linear Intense. And then I'm going to do some mascara. This is their Real Mascara. So this is how it looks once I put some eyeliner and mascara. And actually I can go a further step, and I am, just to make it a little more intense. I'm going to add some Physicians Formula Sexy Booster in Ooh. And it was a trio called Ooh La La Sexy Eye Trio. And I'm going to put this on the waterline. And I really like it because it lasts a very long time. It'll last me kind of like 2-3 hours on. And it'll kind of still look good. See, like that. And I'm going to add a teensy bit of black on the outer corner, like a little bit, because sometimes black can either like mess up your eye look if you do too much of it. I'm just going to grab it here, take it off, just to kind of test it out. You see how it made that, it elongated my eyes? Oh my gosh, I think it looks so good. It looks way better in person. I wish you could see it in person. So this is how it looks. I really liked it. And they're all very buttery, very, like the shimmer on these eyeshadows is very fine. And it has, I feel like I haven't had this kind of shimmer. I'm not sure how they made it. But it's I don't even know how to explain it. It's like a super fine, but yet it's very shimmery, and it's like very like it has a lot of reflectiveness on the little tiny shimmers. I'm not sure if that makes any sense, but it's very pretty. Like, this is a palette where you can do very neutral colors. Like I said, you can use this one, and then the Stay Gold. You can just use Tajín all over your eye. You can use a black, you can make a nice dark black look, and you can even use this to kind of use it as a transition color. Like, there's so many ways you can use this palette. I always like purple eyes, especially for brown eyes. This is a very pretty purple. So a lot of people may be intimidated because it has a lot of color, but it's a very workable palette. So I recommend it if you don't have like colors in your collection, in your eyeshadow collection. This is a very nice palette, and it's not big, so you can definitely travel with it as well. It was $39, and it does contain quite a bit of eyeshadows. So I really liked it, and you know what? I may even buy the other one. If you're more of a neutral kind of person, if you don't really venture out with colors, I'd probably, as opposed to this one, get the other one because it has browns. Who doesn't use browns? So I just got this one because I wanted to do something different, something out of my comfort zone, and I really liked it. And I'm going to do more looks. Make sure to follow me on all my social media. On Instagram, I like to post on Instagram. Make sure to check me out on Facebook. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to comment down below. If you guys want to see any other videos, anything you guys want me to do, let me know down below. And give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot just to know if you guys like these kind of videos. And as always, I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.